Presenting 5 types of mayonnaise. Dear friends, welcome to Farzana's Healthy Bakes and Cooks. Today we will see how to make spicy mayo, green mayo and extra spicy mayo. But first we will check how to make a plain mayonnaise without a blender. So the ingredients to make the plain mayonnaise without a blender are 2 egg yolks kept at room temperature for an hour, 1 tablespoon white vinegar, 1 teaspoon lemon juice, half teaspoon mustard powder. Now I used black and white mustard powder as I have this in my kitchen all the time. If you don't have, then you can use white mustard powder or mustard paste. Next we have 1/4 teaspoon salt, 1/4 teaspoon black pepper. You can also use white pepper instead of black, and 1 teaspoon sugar. Next we have 200 ml refined oil. If you want, you can use olive oil but not mustard oil. So to make the mayonnaise without a blender, we will need a bowl and a wire whisk. To the bowl we add the egg yolks, vinegar, lemon juice, mustard powder, salt, sugar and pepper. Whisk a little bit and then start adding the first portion of the oil. So as you add the oil, you also whisk at the same time without stopping. So we divide the oil into 3 portions. As you can see, the color is changing slowly as you keep whisking. So this process of combining the oil into the egg yolk is called emulsification. So the duration of adding oil is every 5 minutes. So you divide that into 3 portions and start whisking and beating. So as the emulsification process starts taking place, the mayonnaise starts getting thicker and creamier, as you can see. And this took me around 25 minutes to get this texture. So you really need patience to make a homemade mayonnaise without a blender. In a blender, it doesn't take much time. So once you're happy with the texture of the mayonnaise, transfer it to a small bowl with a lid on it and put it in the refrigerator before use. And this mayonnaise is good for 2 weeks. So let's see how to make the spicy mayonnaise. For this easy recipe, we will need plain mayonnaise, whether homemade or store-bought, doesn't matter. And we will need sriracha sauce, that is sriracha hot chili sauce. So take a small bowl and in that we add 3 tablespoons of plain mayonnaise, and to that we'll add 1 tablespoon of sriracha hot chili sauce. If you want the spice level to go up a little more, you can add a little more, not a problem. Everything's up to you. But I like this mild flavor, mild to medium taste that it gives in this dip. So mix it up and your sauce is ready to be used in sandwiches, salads, or serve it as a dip with any vegetables. The green mayonnaise, a very tasty and flavorful mayonnaise. For this we will need plain mayonnaise, and to that we added some green chutney which has been made with cilantro, mint and green chilies and a little bit of garlic in it. For this we will need 3 tablespoons of plain mayonnaise, and to that we add 1.5 tablespoons of the green chutney. Just give it a mix and your mayonnaise is ready. Transfer it to a bowl and keep it in the refrigerator and serve with whatever you want. The green chutney is so flavorful and tasty. Next comes the extra spicy mayonnaise. My viewers, whoever loves spice, you're going to like this recipe. We need plain mayonnaise, sriracha hot chili sauce, tomato ketchup, paprika, chili powder and garlic powder. The garlic powder is homemade. In a bowl, we add 3 tablespoons of plain mayonnaise, 1 tablespoon of sriracha hot chili sauce, 1 tablespoon of tomato ketchup, and then we have half teaspoon of chili powder, half teaspoon of paprika, and half teaspoon of garlic powder. Give it a good mix. And this is also a little flavorful because of the garlic powder. It gets a beautiful flavor in it. Transfer it to a small bowl and keep it in the refrigerator before using it. Now let's take a look at making a spicy mayonnaise in a blender. The instructions to making the plain mayonnaise in a blender has already been shared before. Please check the description box for the link to the plain mayonnaise. For the spicy mayonnaise in a blender, we will need 1 whole egg at room temperature for at least an hour, 1 tablespoon vinegar, 1 teaspoon lemon juice, 1 teaspoon white mustard powder, 1 teaspoon paprika or Kashmiri red chili powder, 1 teaspoon chili powder, 1 teaspoon black pepper powder. You can also use white pepper if you have. Half teaspoon salt and 2 teaspoons of sugar. Lastly, 1 cup of oil, either refined oil or olive oil. To make the spicy mayonnaise, we need a blender that has a lid with an opening on the top, and the process to making the spicy mayonnaise is the same as the plain mayonnaise that was shared before, and the recipe and the instructions to the link is given in the description box. Please have a look at that. I'll just look at the texture of this creamy mayonnaise. Isn't it beautiful? After blending, transfer it into a small bowl with a lid on it. Close the lid and refrigerate it. This mayonnaise is good for 2 weeks. If you like the recipe, don't forget to share with your friends and family. And also requesting new viewers to subscribe to my channel if you haven't subscribed as yet, so that you get post notifications when you hit the bell icon. And if you're looking for any other recipes or any other videos, do take a look at the description box where I have uploaded many links to all my other recipes. Thank you for all your time, support and love. Take care and be safe. Bye-bye.